Hi there, welcome to my channel. Imagine you're on a roller coaster. The ups and downs are thrilling, but your goal is to stay seated until the ride ends. That's the essence of HODLing in the crypto world. HODLing, spelled HODL, might sound like a typo, but it's actually a popular investment strategy. The idea, buy cryptocurrency and hold on to it for the long term, no matter how much the market fluctuates. Here's why this works. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are highly volatile. Prices can skyrocket one month and tumble the next. HODLing is all about ignoring these short-term swings because you believe in the asset's long-term value. To start HODLing, choose cryptocurrencies with strong fundamentals. Bitcoin, for instance, has a capped supply of 21 million coins, making it scarce. Ethereum powers countless decentralized applications. These projects have long-term growth potential. But how do you HODL securely? First, use a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor to store your assets offline. Keeping crypto on exchanges might seem convenient, but it exposes you to hacking risks. Next, decide how much you want to invest. A smart approach is dollar cost averaging, or DCA. This means investing a fixed amount regularly, whether prices are high or low. For example, putting $100 into Bitcoin every month helps you smooth out the volatility. Now, let's talk about patience. HODLing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term game, often stretching 5 to 10 years. The goal? Benefit from the overall growth of crypto adoption and innovation. Take this example. In 2013, Bitcoin was priced under $100. By 2021, it crossed $60,000. Investors who held through the turbulence saw massive gains. But remember, not all cryptocurrencies will succeed. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risks. Finally, keep in mind tax implications. When you eventually sell, gains may be taxed depending on your country's laws. Planning ahead will save you surprises later. HODLing isn't just about enduring volatility, it's about believing in the future of technology. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, HODLing can be a simple yet powerful strategy for building wealth.